Hello. Today we'll start types of polythenes. So put heading types of polythene. Polythene is of two types. Polythene, we have done polythene. Polythene is of two types. LDPE, write the name, low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene. And HDPE, second is HDPE, high density polyethylene. So polythene we are classifying into two categories according to their densities, LDPE and HDPE. Now the most important point in short, monomer unit is same, that is ethene. Monomer unit is ethene and the polymer is polythene as usual. As these are differing only in the densities, these are the conditions which are responsible for their densities. So I am writing like this only, ethene converting to form polythene. Two arrows I have marked it, and both the arrows I have written the condition of temperature, pressure and presence of catalyst here. So this is the condition for LDPE. Temperature 350 to 570 K, 350 to 570 K, 1000 to 2000 atmosphere is the pressure. Upper one I am giving you 1000 to 2000 atmosphere, and peroxide is present as initiator. Any peroxide we can take, and last video we have done for benzoyl peroxide. So peroxide is taken as initiator. If they follow this condition, then density is less. This is called LDPE. This is LDPE. And for HDPE, the lower one, temperature is lesser, 333 to 343 K. Pressure is 6 to 7 atmosphere pressure. 6 to 7 atmosphere pressure. And presence of catalyst, that is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Surface chemistry will go into detail, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. If these are the three conditions followed, then we get HDPE, high density polyethylene. So two types of polythene we have, HDPE and LDPE, only differing in the conditions of temperature, pressure and catalyst. Now starting with the new topic, some addition polymers. So next heading we have some addition polymers. Some examples we have for addition polymer. Now just go through the basics. Basics is remaining the same. In all the cases, double bond breaks into single bond as we have done. Ethene, double bond will convert into single bond. 1,1 valency is free on either sides there. Both the sides will have 1,1 valency free. Only there is change in the substituent group present here. So if you pay attention, you will get everything, and make a note in your copy. So we start with ethene. Ethene converting into polythene. We have done already. Now second one, PVC. Second one is PVC. Full form is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl is doubly bonded compound where functional group is directly bonded to doubly bonded carbon here. So that is vinyl compound. So if you pay attention, you'll get it. This is same as ethene. Ethene is CH2 double bond CH2. On any side, replace one of the hydrogen by chlorine. This is VC. You need writing practice, beta. So CH2 double bond CH2, replace one hydrogen by chlorine. This is called VC, vinyl chloride. Undergoing polymerization. See the same explanation. We have double bond converts into single bond. 1,1 valency is free. This is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. This is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Then third polymer we have polypropene. Polypropene. Again remove poly word, will get the monomer, that is propene. Prop means 3 carbon. Again same. Take ethene, replace one hydrogen by CH 3 group. Upper one we wrote Cl. Now instead of Cl write CH3. It will become propene. So this is propene. Monomer unit is propene undergoing polymerization. Again double bond converts into single bond. 1,1 valency is free. So we get polypropene. So if we remove the word poly, we get the monomer unit. That is any monomer will get it. So polypropene. Remove poly, we get propene. So next polymer is polypropene. Similarly, next polymer is PAN. PAN. This is polyacrylonitrile. This is polyacrylonitrile. Remove the word poly, we get the monomer acrylonitrile. So monomer unit is acrylonitrile. What is acrylonitrile? So again same unit, CH2 double bond CH2. Now replace one hydrogen by cyanide group. Write in the margin. Cyanide group is only called nitrile group. Cyanide group is only called as nitrile group. So take double bond, replace one hydrogen by Cn. Again polymerization, double bond will convert into single bond. 1,1 valency is free and polymer is formed, that is PAN, polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile. Monomer is AN, acrylonitrile, polymer is polyacrylonitrile. Then next very important polymer we have Teflon. Next polymer Teflon. Again make a note, very important. It is used in non-stick cookwares. Teflon coating we are using in non-stick cookwares. It is PTFE, chemical name of Teflon, PTFE. Poly, T stands for tetra, F fluoro and E is for ethene. This is polytetrafluoroethene. Tetra means 4, fluorine is fluorine. So same we have, see, only instead of 4 hydrogen we are putting 4 fluorine here. So CF2 double bond CF2. Instead in ethene we take hydrogen. For TFE tetrafluoroethene we take fluorine. Rest everything is same. Undergoing polymerization. One double bond converts into single bond. 1,1 valency is free and we get PTFE, polytetrafluoroethene, commonly known as Teflon. Then the next polymer we have PCTFE. PCTFE. This is full form polymonochlorotrifluoroethene. Poly, P stands for poly, monochloro, trifluoroethene. Take this TFE, tetrafluoro, upper one we took 4 fluorine. Now instead of 4 fluorine we will take 3 fluorine and 1 chlorine. Only that is the difference. 3 fluorine and 1 chlorine. This is CTFE, monochloro trifluoroethene. Undergoing polymerization, double bond converts into single bond and we get PCTFE. And the last, this is polystyrene. The last polymer we have polystyrene. Again it is same as ethene, only one hydrogen is replaced by benzene ring, or you can write C6H5. This is called styrene. This is styrene. CH2 double bond CH, carbon bonded with benzene ring. Undergoing polymerization, Same change will be there. Double bond converts into single bond. 1,1 valency is free and carbon bonded with benzene ring or C6H5, and this is polystyrene. This is polystyrene. So all are nearly the same. Ethene is the common unit. Replace hydrogen by the required group. We can derive other polymers or other derivatives there. These are all the addition polymers.